Assalamu alaikum friends. In this video I will tell you how we can create many pages in SCADA with TIA Portal V16. This I am using old program which I teach in previous lecture. This is for our old program, and here screen 1, that's screen 2. Let's start. As per old, this is with create yani old screen. First this also will can finish this one, and as we will create new screen. First we will create one small program for our HMI. I will take one here on bit, and here I take another output, and this I take M50.0, and here I use M100.0, and here I use Q5.0, Q5.0, and that's we will delete. And this small program I will download to the PLC for our new HMI. And here already is created that screen number 2, but I will delete this all for you to explain new. As per that screen number 1 creation, that screen number 2, first of all we will check for this background colors. When you need to change any color for your background properties, and simply here in grid color black, and this color you like to change for any other color, you can change brown, white, any type of color which you like to choose. This color you can choose any. This is our name screen number 2. This is our colors condition, that's number 2. Here templates also you can choose, but I will not choose. Next, basically in this lecture our lecture is about making the new screens, but I will give you introduction about that. Also for text, if you make for some heading, can go to this select this text and drop it here, and go to the layouts, and first this click uncheck this mark for adjusting to the screen. Can make this one bigger, more bigger, to the screen. After this, your size also you can increase 30, 32, which size you like to choose, and also color you like to choose that color, you can choose any color, and also any name you like you can give. And also this is this background color also you can choose, you can change. Click it here and go to the background colors appearance. In appearance, here make it solid, and this color which you like, that color you can put it here. I will choose this one color. I will like to this green color, any, and you can adjust it here and at the screen condition, and you can make it in center, adjust the size, and here you can make it some buttons. Yani one button I will choose it here for this is on, on slash off, because of we make this momentary button, and we will take one circle or indication, make it, can adjust it as your own choice. And this first we will go to the properties, and we also you can change it here, colors of the button, which colors you like to choose it here, background color, that one. Oh, this one, this is text color, we will change this one. If you put in text, this is only in text change. If you go in graphic, after this will be, when you press, after this will be shows any. This is design, you can change also, layout, and here you can change also that text formats. Anything you like to change it here, you can change it here. And this properties, and go to the events, and here we will choose press. Yani when we press, this have to be execute. When release, after this will be release. Add function, set bit, here function you can choose. Here you have to be go to in tags, and this tag we will use for M50.0 for our on, and here release only we must add function, reset bit, that reset bit, and tag only we choose this word, tag will be no change. Next we go to the this one light, and this we will use for animations. When you go to the animations, click at appearance and put it here tag name, which tag you like to indicate. This I choose for M100.0, and after you can go and display, go in display, and when you like to in zero state condition, which color you like, green or something, whatever, this you can choose this one light, and one at one state, which color you need, this color you can choose, any color you can choose any. And after next we will take one more button for here to go back our screen number 1. Go to the properties, events, add function, CRWN green_1, screen SC previous activation screen by number also you can choose, and activate screen also you can choose. Screen name if you like to choose. See, I will go to the screen number 1. I will choose this screen number 1, object 0. It's okay. And if I need this screen number 1, here I make also one more tag. Oh, there is go. No problem. This we can adjust it here. Here also we can write the name. Next, yani go to the properties, add function, activate screen, screen 2, click it OK, and this one we will check simulation first. And this is our first page, and when we click it's go to the next page, and when we click this one it's go to the back page. And this is our old program which is running for, I think so, for traffic signal. As we start, this go yellow, and after this will 5 seconds go to the red, and after repeat this program red from to green, and repeat after yellow after 5 seconds, and then stop if execute. Let's finish. If you go like to go next screen, you have to be go next, and you will find the next screen. And in this program we will make this new, and when you click this and your pulse will be on, your indication will be on, and as you release your output will be stop. And if you like to see in the main OB, can make it simulation on. You can make it this one. I will make this no, not this one, sorry, only simulation, and we will make it here near the program also. We can see any, when you click your M 100.0 will be energized and Q 5.0 will be energized. As you release your Q, your execution will be stopped. See, as you release this one, and as you click it back, this will be go at old, it will be go to the first page, and when you like to use the next page, you will go to the next page. I hope guys you understand about this, how we can create the many pages in the HMI or SCADA. Inshallah will be next lectures. I will show you how to more pages in the Siemens PLC in SCADA. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.